Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we apply picture accent list layout. So for that, you have to select the picture and then you have to click on this picture tool followed by format. Followed by picture layout which is present in this picture style group. And just after clicking, this box appear with the different layouts where you have to select the 6th row, 4th option, that is picture accent list. Just after clicking on that, this layout will appear on your picture, and from here you can enter the text by clicking it and typing. And here you can see this arrow. When you click on that, then this box appear where you can edit the text, or you can press enter to add more pictures with the more text. Similarly, you can type here, or you can press backspace to delete the text including that picture. I will close this. Now from here you can edit this layout by selecting this layout by clicking anywhere here, and then you have to click on the Smart Art Tools design to change the layout, color or design. Also you can use this format tab where you can use this word art to edit the text. You can select this text and you can use this font group to edit the text. And to edit this picture you can select it, you can resize it from here, and after you can use this picture tool format to edit the text. You can edit the border or you can add any effect. So that's all for today guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.